Hey, Keegan and Kevin. My name is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Today I spoke with Adolfo, and he thought you guys would be interested in this video. So today I'm going to go over a few tips that you can apply that should help with your online presence and helping you to get more leads. I do understand that you guys are franchisees, so um, you can still do some of these things that I'm going to talk about. You just have to do them a little bit differently. So um, it's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads do come from your website. And so it is really, really important that a website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. Now, one of the frustrations of franchises are that you're severely limited usually on what you can do on this website. So if you do have, if you have a business in your own name, a separate name than the franchise name, and the franchise allows it, you can actually have your own website where you can do everything that you need to do to be able to be found organically and capture those leads. Unfortunately, franchises don't usually let you modify your content. And so if we just look at your main page here, you have a little bit of content, but the only keywords that you have here are national keywords. So those aren't actually helping you. Um, and that's it. So Google wants your homepage, which is what this would be for you. Wants your homepage to have at least 1,500 words of content focused around local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for each of the services here that you're offering in Albuquerque. And so there are 0 Albuquerque keywords on your page. So you're not being found organically at all. Your website, if you were to have your own website, you would want a separate page like they have here for each of one of your services. But you would want to make sure that all pages have their own unique content and their own unique local keywords that you're targeting. You would also want to have separate service area pages for each city that you service in this area, also with their own content and keywords. If you're not able to have your own website, then there is a workaround that you can do, but it is a lot more work. But by using blogs correctly, it does show that you are blogging or have blogs. I don't know if it's something that you guys are doing in Albuquerque or if it's something that the corporation is doing on your behalf. But if blogs are done correctly, you can still go after the local keywords on this page. But you would have to write a lot of blogs, and the blog would have to be focused on a local keyword like Albuquerque crime scene cleanup or something like that. And you would build those articles, and then you would have to go and you would have to get guest posts, and you would attach it to those blog articles based on that keyword you're trying to rank for. But you would then direct that to this page here. So you would have a blog article. It would be based around a keyword like this. You would have an inner link in the blog to link it to this specific page here, this stoprestoration.com Albuquerque. And then you would go out and you would get a guest post, attach it to whatever page that blog article is on, but you would use this as your keyword. That is how you can force those keywords on this page. So it takes a bunch of blog articles, and then you have to support those blog articles with guest posts. It is a roundabout way of doing it, but you can actually rank for keywords that are not on this page as long as they let you do your own blogging and your own articles, and then you support it with your SEO. Now, if we look at your top competitor in Albuquerque, We have water extraction experts. They have an okay website. It's not fabulous, but they do have the separate pages for each of their services. They have click to call features. Oops, sorry about that. They have a bunch of interlinking, which is important for your search engine optimization. They have more content. And they also have service area pages. So these guys are definitely beatable, but you're going to have to do it the roundabout way and then support it by SEO. A website without search engine optimization isn't going to be found. And unfortunately, franchises are notorious for only going after national keywords and not actually doing anything to help their franchisees portion of the website. So right here, this doesn't matter because this is how the entire franchise is ranked. This is how your Albuquerque is ranked here. So you have a 24, which is partially based on the strength of the website. The other part is based on your backlinks and referring domains. Now, you do need a lot of these, but not all are created equal. You only want to get authoritative links. This is like a popularity contest in Google. The more authoritative it is, the more power it gives you. And you want to make sure they're do follow links because do follows share the power of those high ranking sites. But if you look here, you only have 13 that are do follows, which means only 13 out of 1,800 links are doing anything at all for your website or your web page. And Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So you have 1,800 spammy links. You have been indexed for 181 keywords, and you are getting approximately 122 people to your website. But those aren't national visitors. So if we look here at your keywords, if you look, stop restoration, that's a national keyword and a brand. All of these keywords here are all national. And when you rank national keywords to the first page of Google, you're going to get people from all over the country landing on your page. When they realize you're in Albuquerque and you can't service them, they're going to leave. So ranking these national keywords actually does nothing to help you. You have to focus on local buyer intent keywords. The keywords people are actively searching in Albuquerque. And these are ranking all based on blog articles. So these are blogs being done incorrectly. Like I said, blogs are very important if you do them the right way. But this, trying to rank for irrelevant keywords, National Call a Friend Day 2021. That has nothing to do with your services. It's not going to convert into a customer. So it doesn't matter how much volume these keywords have if they're not going to convert into customers. So if you maintain the site that you have and can't build another one, you definitely want to go the blogging route, but you've got to get it done the correct way. Now, if we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 10 with only 1,400 backlinks, 510 referring domains. Of that, 470 are do follows. So you would have to beat their 470 do follow referring domains. And they've been indexed for over 3,000 keywords, and they're getting over 1,800 people to their website per month. So that just shows you how important properly optimizing is to driving that local traffic. And then the last piece of this is this Google My Business section. You should be in this top 3 here. 30% of people search in the maps and don't search anywhere else. So when you're not listed in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, there are several factors that go into this, but the most important are citations, and that is something you can control. That is being listed in a bunch of directories with your name, address, phone number, website, and listing them in places like Yellow Pages, Dext, Glassdoor, etc. So you need more of those than your competition. You also have to go after and get those 5-star reviews and make sure your profile is optimized. Now, when you follow all of these tips, you do have the potential to have your page be #1 in Albuquerque for your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful and that you can apply some of these tips that I've shown you. I would really love to get your feedback, and if you have any questions at all, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.